All right, all right, all right. My free folk. It's a beautiful 68-degree day. I did me some fishing. Had a very recognizable fishing day. I didn't catch a thing. I guess that's why they call it fishing. Otherwise, they call it catching. No. But I'm a city boy. I'm just not a good fisherman. Excellent spear fisherman. But rod and reel, atrocious. My girlfriend, on the other hand, she's the fish whisperer. She could throw an empty hook in and out catch me. But that being said, subscribe, bell, like. I really appreciate it. So we had that inside bar for a while today. Then we broke the low. If we look right here on the daily, we see the action. Um, but we're getting a good retrace. And this is a good setup for a bull flag. So we break tomorrow's high. Oh, man. We break today's high tomorrow, 804.06. And that's it. That's the trigger of the flag, and that's the move in. And it looks good. I mean, you can't really argue this flag, except for the fact that we've run quite a bit. And I mean, these are strong bars. So that could be a very good flag. Nice consolidation. Very well could happen. Momentum's doing the right thing. Can't really dispute it. The 30-minute right here, I mean, that's a little ominous, but, that's cleaning up trades at the end of the day. So we'll take that with a grain of salt. The 60-minute, on the other hand, clear divergence. You can see right here. Now, well, you can see the high and the high of the momentum. And then you see the high here and the high of the momentum. And the momentum is obviously trailing off. So you can be cautious. And a reversal on the 60-minute would happen at the 4,780. So you have to keep an eye on that. Quick look at the futures. You can see down here, you see the bull flag happen. 30-minute showing that same pattern. A little different because, the time frame, the market time frame is different. You see the divergence on the 60-minute, but it's flattening. And we're getting a little zero touch on these fast line right there. A little less ominous looking. Although you see it on the 240s. So we'll take a look at that in the morning and see what that looks like, because the 240 will dictate pretty much the direction for the day. And you can see that momentum fading off right there, making these small chopping bars. So that's what we're going to have to look at. And our 10-year is doing what we expect. It's moving on up. Look at that, and it broke. That's the entry point right there in that high of 1537. You just broke it a little bit, hitting some congestion around this 1543 area. Looks a little bit toppy on the 240, but may turn around and keep marching. But that's putting the move on the TBT. I think that'll perform exactly how we suspect. So something to look at. Take another quick look at this this MMTR. My poor friend John. I'd say this thing's a wrap. Hopefully he didn't get hurt in this. I haven't heard from him. Yeah, it looks like it's just getting heavy. No move there. So anyway, that's the market for today. Today was Wednesday. We had the oil report. A couple other indicators come out. Tomorrow is um, jobless claims. So that's an important number. That might move the market a little bit. So be careful trading ahead of that. I think it's out at 8:30. So unless you're trading futures, it'll be a non-event. But if you watch the futures and watch the reaction, you'll have an understanding of how it affected the market. You'll know what to do for the following day. So this is Dave, feeling very mellow. And I hope everybody else is calm and cool in the trading, a little meditation and be at peace. And good luck trading.